So we are going to solve first question here. Let's write the data. 1 minus 2, 4, 7. And ratio is 1:2. So just below this, I write this is x1, y1 as its first point, x2, y2, m, n. Now we write formula x is equals to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. Y is equals to m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Let's substitute the values of m x2 and x1. M is 1. Always substitute values in bracket. x2 is 4 plus n is 2 and x1 is 1 upon 1 plus 2. Same here, m 1, y2 is 7 plus n is 2, y1 is negative 2 upon 1 plus 2. Let's write the answer. 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2 upon 3. Here 7 1s are 7 plus 2 into negative 2, that gives negative 4. So plus minus 4 upon 3. This gives us answer 6 upon 3, that is equals to 2. This gives us answer 7 minus 4, 3 upon 3. So answer is 1. So our section point is 2, 1. This is our final answer. Let's do second question. B 3 minus 2 minus 4 5. Ratio is 1:1. As ratio is 1:1, so it is a midpoint. So we will use midpoint formula. X is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2. Y is equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. x1 is 3, x2 is negative 4. So plus minus 4 upon 2. y1 is negative 2 plus 5 upon 2. This gives minus 1 upon 2 and this gives 3 upon 2. So your final answer is negative 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. This is a midpoint. Let's solve question 2. Find the midpoint of line joining A 0 0 8 minus 5. So here we are going to use midpoint formula. Let's take A 0 0 8 minus 5. Mention this x1, y1, x2, y2. We know midpoint formula. X, y is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Substitute the values. x1 is 0 plus x2 is 8 upon 2. y1 is 0, y2 is minus 5. So plus minus 5 upon 2. So the answer is 4, minus 5 by 2. Same way we do B minus 7, 0, 0, 10. x1, y1, x2, y2. We know midpoint formula. xy, x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. x1 is negative 7 plus 0 upon 2. y1 is 0 plus 10 upon 2. So our answer is negative 7 upon 2 and 5. Question 3. Find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are 5 minus 1, minus 3 minus 2, minus 1, 8. So we know centroid formula that requires 3 vertices. So let's say this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now we know centroid formula x, y is is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. For y, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Let's substitute the values. x1 is 5, x2 is minus 3, so plus minus minus 3, x3 is minus 1, so plus minus minus 1 upon 2. y1 is negative 1, y2 is negative 2, so plus minus minus 2. y3 is 8, so plus 8 upon 3. 5 minus 3 minus 1, so that is 5 minus 4, it is 1, 1 upon 2. Minus 1 minus 2 gives minus 3, minus 3 plus 8, that is plus 5 upon 3. Sorry, this is 3.